Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Southern fried cabbage and bacon. For our ingredients, we have cabbage, bacon, onion, garlic powder, garlic cloves, red pepper, black pepper, and salt. You want to cut your bacon into bite-sized pieces and fry on medium heat until brown and crispy. You want to remove your bacon and leave the grease from the bacon in the pan. You want to place your onions and your garlic in the pan and fry anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. Chop up your cabbage into bite-sized pieces. You want to place your cabbage in the pan along with the spices. You want to stir and cook on medium heat for anywhere from 6 to 7 minutes or until the cabbage is tender. You want to stir back in your bacon in the pan and mix with the cabbage. You want to serve and enjoy. We have made Southern fried cabbage and bacon. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.